Thank God for coronavirus. Why do I say so? I'm not in support of coronavirus, but I think it has done humanity and nature a lot of good, though it has claimed a lot of lives. You see, things we thought were never possible initially have now become possible, owing to this virus. A lot of companies initially never considered remote work due to their own reasons, but what do we see now? Some religious bodies took their stand on technology, and their verdict was, technology is evil. Those same religious bodies ask us now to follow their social media pages and even watch their live services. This virus has taught us a lot of lessons about our politicians who mostly prioritize their selfish interest rather than the basic needs of their people. There are still places across the world where people struggle to get potable water, food, shelter, clothing, healthcare, and many more. Yet huge sums of money is spent on luxurious items. China built a place to help control the coronavirus in few days, but what do we see elsewhere? Hiding the actual number of cases from citizens. Thank God for coronavirus. Families now get to spend time together because they have no option than to do so. Dad and mom would have been far gone by now if not for this virus. What would a kid say? The coronavirus should always be with us so that mom and dad will always be with me. Thank God for coronavirus. The environment has a special thanks to offer corona because it has helped reduce the pressure we humans put on it. Our daily activities polluted just because of our selfish interests. Finally, we can take a break and recover quickly. It is said that whenever there is crisis, there is also an opportunity. People are taking advantage of the situation by coming up with innovative ideas. What are you doing to help battle the virus? Thank God for our health workers who are very dedicated to their work and continue to risk their lives for those of others. We understand your pain and frustration owing to the hazards of your work, but reward is surely somewhere, someday. To families that have lost loved ones to this virus, my deepest condolences. But for the greater good of humanity, thank God for coronavirus. Stay safe, be good, live your life, but thank God for coronavirus.